Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another cookie recipe, and today it is peanut butter cookies. Oh, how I love a good peanut butter cookie. And we're going to add a few twists to these peanut butter cookies. Let's take a look at our ingredients. You want to start by adding your shortening to a bowl and give it a quick little mix. Then we're going to go in with our sugar. Once you have got your sugar and your shortening well incorporated, go ahead and add your egg in. Get it blended in. Then go ahead and add your peanut butter and mix well. So now we need something to help our cookies rise a little bit. Therefore, we're going to take our water and our baking soda and we're going to mix it together. And we're going to add it to the mixture. Give it a quick mix. Then add your milk and your vanilla extract and continue mixing. Take your salt and add it to your flour and give it a good whisk. And these are our two dry ingredients. Add your flour to your shortening and peanut butter mixture and blend well. Once we have everything well incorporated, we're going to go ahead and remove our beaters. We're going to continue on with the spatula. So we're going to elevate this flavor just a little bit more. I have some peanut butter chips and I'm going to put about a cup in there. And we're going to get those all folded in. Okay, so I'm not going to cook all my cookies at one time. So I'm going to store them into an airtight container and I'm going to place them into the refrigerator. So when you're ready to bake some fresh cookies, let your dough come to room temperature and you're all set. I have my cookie sheet lined with parchment paper, and I'm using a 1-inch cookie scoop to make balls. Using a cookie scoop will ensure that all your cookies will be the same size and everything bake up perfectly. So now our homemade peanut butter cookies need a design. So we're going to put the traditional crisscross press pattern on each cookie. So we're just going to add some granulated sugar to 6 of the cookies. And this is going to give them just the extra added crunch. And the remaining 6 will get a special treat once they are finished baking. Our cookies are fresh out of the oven. Our remaining 6 cookies, we're going to take some of these chocolate toffee bits and add right on top. The crunch from the toffee adds such a nice texture and flavor to this peanut butter cookie. They're good by themselves, but I like to amp up that flavor. I certainly hope you guys are enjoying the video. If so, please give me a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe, and leave me some comments down below. My goal is to upload up to 3 times a week. So go ahead and hit that little bell so that you will know when Simply Mercy B is uploading another awesome video. So we have gotten to my favorite part of the video. It is time to taste. When I tell you, you need to treat yourself to this peanut butter cookie. It is so moist and delicious. Soft and chewy, and it just melts in your mouth. Yes, it does make you dance. Treat yourself and try it with the toffee bits. You can find those in the baking section. They are absolutely delicious. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and remember to keep life simple, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.